Is secondary use of research data ethical? Imagine you've shared your health information for a specific study, but later, your data is used again for new research. Is that okay? That's what secondary use of research data is all about. It's when data collected for one purpose is used again for other studies. This practice can help scientists find new answers faster and avoid asking people for the same information over and over. But it also raises important questions about ethics and trust. The key to understanding if secondary data use is ethical lies in four main principles. First, respect for persons means honoring the original consent. If someone agreed to share their data for a specific study, using it for something else needs their permission or must follow what they originally agreed to. If the data is anonymized so no one can be identified, the ethical concerns are less. But if the data still links back to individuals, researchers must take extra steps to protect privacy. Second, beneficence asks if the data use benefits society or science without causing harm. Using data responsibly should lead to new health insights or public health improvements. Researchers need to make sure the data is accurate and that risks, like privacy breaches, are minimized. They should also do risk assessments before sharing data for secondary purposes. Third, justice means fairness. The use of data should not exploit participants or create unfair burdens. It should also avoid biases that could lead to discrimination or inequality. Everyone involved should benefit fairly from the research. Finally, respect for privacy and confidentiality is vital. Researchers must keep personal data safe by using secure storage and controlled access. They should be transparent with participants about how their data might be used later and what limits anonymization has. Clear policies and oversight from ethics committees or review boards are necessary to ensure responsible data sharing. These groups evaluate whether secondary use aligns with ethical standards and protects participants' rights. In practice, sharing data for secondary research can speed up discoveries and reduce the need to collect new data from scratch. It can also lessen the burden on participants. But it must be done carefully, with strong governance, clear consent policies, and ongoing oversight. When these conditions are met, secondary use of research data can be both ethical and beneficial for society.